Today you will see 7 foods that you should avoid during your periods. In a recent video, we saw what foods you can eat and what ones you should avoid during your menstrual phase. Did you watch it? Eating nutritious and anti-inflammatory foods can help replenish your body and make it feel better, reducing symptoms like headaches, nausea, cramps, fatigue, mood changes, irritability, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, etc. Watch the video if you haven't yet, and share it with your family and friends so they can take care of themselves during their periods. Some foods can help your periods, and there are also some foods that you should avoid. Everything is fine when in moderation, but certain foods can worsen the symptoms, like sugar. Sugar raises your energy and then drops it. Having an energy drop can leave you irritated, depressed, or anxious. Limit your sugar intake and opt for natural sweeteners. Coffee. Caffeine causes water retention and bloating. It can also worsen headaches and cause digestive problems like diarrhea or constipation. Red meat. The body produces prostaglandins during periods to make the uterus contract. This process eliminates the uterine lining, causing the menstrual flow. When the prostaglandin levels are high, cramps worsen. Red meat contains high amounts of prostaglandins. This increase means that eating red meat worsens the cramps, so it is better to avoid meat during your period. Salt. Too much salt causes water retention and bloating, both common issues during periods. Avoid adding extra salt to your foods and limit how much processed food you eat. Most processed foods contain too much salt, which will make you uncomfortable. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Spicy foods. It is usual for spicy foods to cause stomach discomfort, diarrhea, cramps, stomach aches, and nausea. During your period, try cutting back on spicy foods since they intensify your symptoms. Unless you are used to eating them regularly, it is better to avoid them altogether during periods. Alcohol. Alcohol is also harmful and can intensify symptoms of periods. It will dehydrate you, worsening headaches and bloating. Alcohol can also cause digestive issues like diarrhea and nausea, which will be more intense during your cycle. Drinking alcohol doesn't affect you only at that moment. If you are hungover the next day, you will have even more headaches, nausea, diarrhea, and fatigue. You already deal with many things during your period, so adding more problems isn't a good idea. Other foods your body doesn't tolerate. Did you know that food sensibility is amplified during the menstrual cycle? You will notice more nausea, constipation, or diarrhea depending on your symptoms. If you already avoid something, be even more rigorous during your period. These are some of the foods you should avoid when on your period. Your health must always be your priority, so do what is best for your body during your menstrual cycle. Try it and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.